In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bookmap Volume Dots 2026 Full Guide. First, open Bookmap and load the market you want to analyze, whether that's stocks, futures, or crypto. Once your chart is up, make sure volume dots are enabled. If you don't see them right away, open the chart settings and turn volume dots on. This is important because these dots are one of the fastest ways to read actual executed trading activity directly on the chart. To understand what you're looking at, remember that every dot represents a completed trade. The location of the dot shows the exact price where that trade happened, and the size of the dot shows how much volume was traded. In simple terms, bigger dots mean bigger executed trades. That makes them especially useful when you want to spot moments of unusually high participation. Next, pay attention to the colors. Green dots represent aggressive buyers lifting the ask, while red dots represent aggressive sellers hitting the bid. Sometimes you may also see mixed color dots, which can suggest both buying and selling activity within the same aggregated volume. Learning to read color and size together gives you a much clearer picture of who is being more aggressive in the market. As you watch the chart, keep an eye out for unusually large dots. These often stand out because they can point to institutional participation or periods of heavy trading activity. Large trades don't always mean the market will immediately reverse or continue, but they often mark important moments worth investigating. A very useful next step is to compare the volume dots with the liquidity heat map. For example, large green dots appearing near strong bid liquidity can suggest buying support. Large red dots near heavy ask liquidity can suggest selling pressure. And if very large trades occur, but the price barely moves, that can be a sign of absorption, meaning larger participants may be taking the other side without allowing price to move much. You can also customize the display to make the chart easier to read. Adjust the dot size and transparency, choose between 2D dots or 3D bubbles, and switch between total volume and volume delta depending on what you want to emphasize. Clustering options can also help reduce noise, especially in fast markets. When you hover over a volume dot, Bookmap shows more detailed trade information, including executed volume and buy or sell activity. This is helpful when you want to confirm what the visual signal is actually telling you. Finally, combine volume dots with other Bookmap tools like the heatmap, volume bars, and time and sales for better order flow context. And before using this in live trading, spend time practicing in replay mode or on a demo account. Focus on recognizing repeating patterns like absorption, exhaustion, and breakout confirmation, instead of relying on dot size alone.